Let's also get you details of the big political story from Gujarat. Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel has picked his new team and he's dropped all ministers from the Rupani regime. While dropping many sitting MLAs has been really the norm in the Modi era in the BJP, this, what we're seeing in Gujarat, is unprecedented.
Gujarat has seen a purge Indian politics has rarely seen. 15 months before assembly elections and 4 days after installing a new CM, the BJP has sacked the entire cabinet. CM Bhupendra Patel has picked 24 new faces as ministers. The axe fell on even heavyweights like Nitin Patel, who till a few days ago was a frontrunner for the chief minister's post. The cleanup had led to murmurs in the party, which were loud enough to delay the swearing in by a day. But in the end, all fell in line.
कल से किसी का मैंने कांटेक्ट नहीं किया, किसी ने मेरा कांटेक्ट नहीं किया था, ऐसे ही सब मैसेज चल रहे थे, मेरा नहीं था। पार्टी ने, मैं कल भी बोला था कि इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में पार्टी ने 9 साल से मेरे को मंत्रिमंडल में स्थान दिया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी का श्रेष्ठ नेतृत्व का आभारी हूँ और मुझे कोई परेशानी भी नहीं थी, कोई नुकसानी भी नहीं थी और मैं नाराज भी नहीं थे।
सी, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी है, पार्टी विद अ डिफरेंस। नॉट अ सिंगल MLA is unhappy. Maybe some might feel that they might be left out or they had a chance.
हमारी पार्टी में तो ये परंपरा रही है, जो पार्टी तय करती है वो झंडा आगे आगे चलता है, व्यक्ति वो बदलते हैं। हमारे वहाँ कोई नाराजगी होती ही नहीं है, हम शिस्तबद्ध पार्टी है और इतने सालों से 30 सालों से यहाँ है हम पार्टी।
According to sources, the entire shake-up has been scripted from Delhi and has the High Command's blessings. Even the selection of the CM himself was a complete surprise. Bhupendra Patel was attending party meetings and planting saplings the day he was announced as the chief minister. The composition of Patel's new team is also revealing. There are 8 from the Patel community, a traditional BJP vote bank which has been upset with the ruling party. There are also 6 OBCs, 3 scheduled tribes, 2 scheduled caste, 2 Kshatriyas and 1 from the Jain community. Narendra Modi, during his term as Chief Minister, was known to drop a big proportion of sitting MLAs. But the current purge is unprecedented. It might have been necessitated by, among other things, the criticism of COVID management during the second wave. With this entire exercise, the BJP is hoping it can recover the goodwill and beat back anti-incumbency over its more than 2 decades of rule in the state. With Gopi Manyar, Bureau Report, India Today.